Oftentimes when you're working, especially when you're comparing to the assignment, notice this has two decimal places, or 2 places after the decimal point. This makes your drawing a little bit cleaner when you're looking at it. It also makes it easier to fit your dimensions on your page. AutoCAD defaults to 4 decimal places. Sometimes you'll have to change it depending on the precision you need for your drawing. In order to change how many decimal places are after, or how many places are after the decimal point, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click Annotate. Annotate is one of the tab menus along the top of your AutoCAD window. So I'm going to click Annotate, and then I'm going to go within the Dimension section of this ribbon. And I'm going to click this arrow, and that's going to allow me to modify my dimension styles. So I'm going to click that. You're going to get this pop-up, and I'm going to modify. And that'll bring you to this pop-up. There's a lot of things you can adjust, modify. For right now, I'm looking at primary units, and I'm going to change my precision to 2 decimal places. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to click OK and close, and it's going to automatically modify the style for each of my dimensions. If I need to work on something in fractional form though, and I can specify my precision, I'm going to go to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. I'm going to click OK and close. It'll automatically change that as well. So depending on the style in which you need your dimensions to be, you can modify that for the whole drawing. I'm just going to set mine back to decimal with my 2 decimal places. And close. If you have any questions, be sure to ask.